How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another what the fuck video with NeoX. That's me. I'm sorry for the camera quality, normal for me, so yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so this one's called Crazy People Making Pig Noises. So yeah, why is there a bunch of people? He's got a fucking corner. Okay, is that what a pig sounds like? Why have you got a corn in your fucking head?
Freddy! Fred! I think I seen these right over here.
What you say? You what? Is that what a pig sounds like in your mind? Friday.
I think I seen these right over here.
I think I see a Miz. Okay, whatever. What the fuck is this? It's more like a siren.
Piggy, come on, Piggy.
What the fuck? The fuck am I watching? The fuck? Why are people clapping? Why are people happy? That was horrible. It's like it came from hell or something. What the hell?
I actually grew up in this city, but I actually studied this and watched it, so...
You studied a pig noise. And you watched a pig, right? What? These people are confused, they don't know what a pig sounds like. Oh my god, this is fucking weird. What the fuck? This is so weird. Okay, what the fuck?
Thank you.
Did you see that at the end? He didn't know where to put the mic. Okay, so this lady, I've actually seen her doing this before on a funny video or something. But let's just say that it's fucking weird. So yeah. I used to think this was the funniest thing ever. No, I just think it's weird. What the fuck? Fuck. What is she doing? What'd you say? Fighting? You like to get dirty, okay. Weirdo. The fuck is this video? Why are people clapping at this? Farmers are weird. The hell? Okay, that was weird. Sorry if I didn't react the way I should have or whatever. Sorry if I'm not that entertaining. I know I need to get better at these videos. I know I need to try and make myself more entertaining with how I speak. It's not playing like this and it's just really boring. I'm trying to actually not talk like this and make it really boring, because this is a really boring way to talk. So I'm trying to actually push up my voice and make myself more entertaining, make myself better to watch, and people actually subscribing, not like a rush of people subscribing, like a bunch of them. I don't know what that was, but people are generally, over time subscribing, and it makes me happy to see the numbers go up. Even just one subscriber makes me happy. So I've tried to teach myself how to not really give a shit about the views or the likes or anything, or comments. So I guess YouTube for me is something I can look back on and see how I've changed and gotten better at YouTube. So it's a thing for me. Also, I want to entertain people, and I want to be there for someone if they're having a crap day, and I can just make their day better by being stupid or watching something stupid like this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. If you did watch this, that is the thing. And yeah, have a great rest of the day. and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the haze.